Hello from Slovenia again. Today is a special day because we are welcoming a new life to this world. Little Ota, Marina and Luka take a birth. I don't know. They welcome a new baby, so welcome Ota to this world. And because of that I choose some colors that I know that Marina likes because she is mom and it's a miracle to give a birth to a little child. So I will just pour with her colors. Not her colors, color choice that she would probably like, and thinking about our little granddaughter Ota. And I will use split cup with 8 chambers, and I will use this Naples yellow green light for kind of a negative space, and in those 2 chambers, and I have Persian rose, bordeaux red, copper, olive green, light olive green, and raw sienna. And I will add this light green, Naples yellow light green here and here. Here will be this Persian rose, or it's maybe Venetian rose. I will put all the colors into the description box, so you can check them there. Bordeaux red. These chambers are tinier, you know, because it's more of them, so you see. Whoa, what a mess I'm doing. Little nervous maybe today. Copper. Just have to pour here and kind of wait that paint will flow towards this lid here. And olive green. I believe that I never did a split cup with 8 chambers before, so that's why I have a little problems with layering paint into these chambers. And the last one. This was his raw sienna. I think it's kind of mustardy color, I don't know. I just want to add a little bit of this. I'm just thinking to maybe grab a spinner anyway. I'm working on 12 by 24 inch canvas, but maybe I will want to, you know, just do something. So This was quite a challenge for me. I don't know if I like this part, so maybe I will roll just one marble through the middle and then stretch it, just to do something here in the middle. Let's go from here. I should have tilted first. A little bit. Because I have way too much paint. I think that I will even don't need a marble, so I'm glad that it happened that way, and probably it would be much easier if I put this on the table without the spinning table. So I already did a close-up and then decided that I will tilt it a little more, because these gorgeous lines under this Naples yellow green start to showing through, and I really love that because I stretched more, and I did get some of these shades of bordeaux red too on this side that I missed because it was just too separate, or how can I say, like two totally different worlds or something. But I'm glad that I did, because I hope that you can see what I'm talking about, all those lines and everything. So a little different painting, but I like it. This is it for today, and see you on the next one. Bye.